Hi there, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to make it easier for your clients to leave a 5-star review online with a short link. So start by searching for your business without going to your website. I'll give you an example here. So I'm going to put in online spiderweb without the .com.au, and you'll see somewhere in this drop down list there'll be a Google search tag next to your business name. So click on that. And you'll need a Google My Business page for this if you don't already have one. Now what you want to do is come down to where it says reviews, click on write a review, and what happens when you click on this on that button, you'll get this pop up, and also in the address bar you'll notice there's this huge link. So we actually want to grab that link and copy it. So highlight it, then Control C. And now we're going to use another tool to shorten this link so that when you ask for reviews in your emails and text messages, for example, you don't have this long messy link that can frighten people from clicking it. So what we'll do now is open another tab, and you can Google URL shortener. And I quite often use Google URL shortener, but for some reason that's not working. So we'll go with my second favorite, which is Bitly. And in this box here, you just paste that link that we copied from the address bar previously and click shorten. And now you have this link here, and this is the link has gone from something about that long to this small one. So we'll copy that and then make sure that it works. So go in and open perhaps an incognito browser. So incognito. I won't do that here though, just because it will not record. If I open an incognito window, I'll just open another tab and test it. So paste that here. So your clients won't see this box on the left hand side. That's just for the Google My Business page owner, but they will get this pop-up. They'll go straight to this pop-up box, which is exactly what you need to make it easy for them to leave a 5-star review. And now I'll quickly show you how to get your Facebook review link. If you open your business page, down the left hand side, this is on a desktop, you can click on the reviews tab, and again here is that link that you need for people to be directed straight to that review page. So if I copy that, this is not such a long review link like the Google My Business one, so you could use that, or you could also go ahead and shorten this one as well. So get a new one. I'll just refresh this page. New one. Paste that, shorten, and you can see now Bitly's create and Google URL shortener does the same thing, but it's starting to populate the various links that I'm creating, so you can come back to them later. So that's how you find and create easy links to share with clients to get more reviews. But if you want to go one step further, a better way of sharing your review links so that people can both read and leave reviews for multiple platforms from one page is to have an all-in-one web page. Below this video you'll see a couple of images and buttons that link to my Google and Facebook page reviews. This page is really easy for me to remember whenever I take the opportunity to ask for reviews, because it's simply my domain /feedback. And you can put even more information on this page about how to use your product or service after purchase, next steps and recommendations, and so on, so that the page is useful for your potential reviewer and not just a favor. So let me just show you what happens when they come down here and click on these. If they click on read our reviews, they'll go straight over to a pop-up where they can read the reviews that I've already got. They can click on this write a review button, or perhaps they want to go straight to leaving a 5-star review, and in that case the leave a review window will pop straight up as well. And then we have the same thing with our Facebook review page. It'll just go straight to that review page. They don't need to think about it or look for it, and it's just taking those objections out of why people don't leave reviews without asking. So if you need help building your reputation online, Be sure to reach out right now or you'll lose motivation. My email link is under the video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Of course, feel free to leave a 5-star review on my Google or Facebook page. Thanks, guys.